My daughter and I are going to be testing 5 different Snickerdoodle recipes in order to find the best one. We're going to be looking at our taste. We're going to be looking at texture. We're going to look at sweetness. We're going to see what combination creates the absolute best Snickerdoodle cookie. And if you are looking for a trick on how to bring your butter down to room temperature faster, I learned this from my niece, and I think this is the coolest thing. You put it under your armpit. If you need 2 sticks, you got 2 arms. Just while you're prepping everything, just walk around with it like this, and by the time everything is prepped and ready to roll, you have much softer butter. So how is it?
It's great.
Well, my original plan was to have all of the kids in a very orderly fashion tell me which taste they like the best, which texture that they like the best. Instead, it devolved into absolute chaos with everybody shouting and being like, I like this one, I like this one, and trying to grab more cookies, and it got kind of just nuts. So my judges, I had 4 elementary school aged boys, 1 elementary school aged girl, and 2 moms, and we were the official taste testers. So rather than something orderly, I'm going to show you some of the chaos that went into voting for our favorite. What do you think?
They both were super good, and like one was super soft and everything, but I think I might like number 2.
2. 2 is so good.
1 vote for 1, 1 vote for 2.
You gotta do them in order.
Everybody hates number 1. What's your favorite?
3.
What's your favorite? Bennett, what's your favorite?
3.
Ada, what's your favorite?
3.
What's your favorite?
3.
Lucas? 4. 2. I like 3. And which one had the best texture? Show me your fingers.
Oh,
Show me, show me your
definitely one.
fingers.
Definitely 4.
1, 4,
I think I
4.
was
So
like
you're
the
gonna 5, 3, 3, 1. Okay. Well, our favorite recipe today was the soft and thick Snickerdoodles, which was our number 3 recipe. The taste by far was the best. Texture was something that we really, really liked. This one puffed up a little bit, even though we pushed it down. It's a little bit crispy on the outside, a little bit soft on the inside. Really great texture when you break it apart, and I'm gonna do that now. Ruin this beautiful cookie. I mean, it even just looks really, really good. Number 3, hands down, for the holidays this year, these are the Snickerdoodle cookies that I'm gonna be making. So what does my kitchen look like after baking dozens and dozens of cookies? And that's only one side. So do you have a favorite recipe that maybe we didn't try, or have you tried one of the recipes that I have listed below and you have a different opinion? Share your comments with me. Otherwise, I am the Modern Millennial, and please subscribe for more Pearls of Wisdom.